Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. This is a super useful technique when you want to create time lapses or just make your videos more dynamic. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Import your video. First, let's start by importing our video into Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 and create a new project. Once your project is open, import your video by going to File Import or simply drag and drop your video file into the project panel. Step 2. Add video to timeline. Next, drag your video from the project panel to the timeline. This will create a new sequence with your video. Step 3. Select the video clip. Now, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. You should see it highlighted. Step 4. Access the speed duration settings. With your clip selected, right-click on it to open the context menu and select speed duration. This will open a new dialog box where we can adjust the speed settings. Step 5. Adjust the speed. In the speed duration dialog box, you see a field labeled speed percent by default. This is set to 100%. To speed up your video, increase this percentage. For example, if you set it to 200%, your video will play twice as fast. You can also check the reverse speed option if you want to reverse the clip. Step 6. Ripple Edit, Shifting Trailing Clips. If you want the changes to apply smoothly and adjust the length of your clip on the timeline, make sure to check the Ripple Edit, Shifting Trailing Clips option. This will automatically shift the trailing clips in the timeline to accommodate the speed change. Step 7. Apply and preview. Once you're happy with the speed adjustment, click OK to apply the changes. Now, play back your video in the preview window to see how it looks. You should see your video playing at the new speed. Step 8. Fine-tuning. If you need to make further adjustments, you can always go back to the speed duration settings and tweak the speed percentage until you get the desired effect. And that's it. You've successfully sped up a video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.